Hey, welcome to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and I'm going to show you how I made Caribbean-style St. Louis ribs. So I took these straight out of the package. They are pretty thick, and they were trimmed up already. The membrane was taken off, so I'm just going to roll with these. So we're going to be using Malcom's Jammin jerk. I'll have a link in the description. The backside first. Nice healthy coating. We're going to be using the Grilla Grills pellet smoker today, set at 250 degrees. I just have a competition blend pellet in there. Mix of different hardwoods. All right, let's go outside. We'll be using a top rack today. So we're just going to place these on here. Scrunch them up, put them in the middle. I like to cook things on the top rack, keeps them away from the heat. Pellet grills, the main heat source is right underneath the diverter plate, and let this go for about half an hour. We'll check on them. Well, it's been 30 minutes. We'll take a look. Look pretty good. We're going to hit them up with some apple cider vinegar. We're just going to spray it right on the top. Been 2 hours. We'll check on it. The rub's nice and dry. It doesn't come off on your finger. So these will be ready to. So these are ready to come in, and we will wrap them. So we pulled the rack of ribs off in about 2 hours. So what we're going to do now, we're going to wrap them. We're going to take a stick of butter, some more of our jerk seasoning. We're going to add some Malcom's Island Fire. It's got Scotch bonnet peppers, mangoes. We're going to put this meat side down, push it in, and then I'm going to wrap it. I'm not going to put anything on the back side. Nice and tight. Fold the edges. And then we're going to place it back on the smoker, probably another hour, hour and a half. We'll check on it. Want it around 205 degrees, but we'll go by tenderness, by flexing the rack. Like right now it's pretty stiff. So after an hour and a half in the wrap, we've hit our temperature. So 205 is what I wanted. Feeling really tender. So now we're going to take it out of the wrap. We're going to place this back on the smoker, let it dry up a little bit, and then we'll reglaze it again. All right, we got this off the smoker. It was only on there for 15 minutes. Dried it right up. We're going to transfer it to a cutting board. And I don't think on this style I'm going to need to put it on the smoker to set the sauce. Now we're going to add some more of the Malcom's Island Fire. We're just going to brush that on. We'll let this rest for about 10 minutes, cool down a little bit, and then we'll slice into it and try it. So I'm going to flip these over and cut them. I got a nice smoke ring on them. Let's take a bite. These are really good. They're not traditional. You get a little bit of heat from that island fire. Then you get all the spices and the jerk seasoning. It's really good. So that's our video. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'll have an affiliate link in the description for all the seasoning, spices, and thermometers, and charcoal, all sorts of stuff. That's it. It's dinner time.